Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Concours 14. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 5,500 miles. ABS, Kawasaki traction control. It's got heated electric grips, shaft drive. This is a hypersport touring 1400cc. Beautiful condition. Come on by and make your big bore hypersport touring dreams come true with this gorgeous Kawasaki Concours for only $99.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Check out the adjustable windscreen. Use just a little switch on the handlebar. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.